There's a tremendous amount of accomplishment when we as gardeners learn how to propagate. Propagate is just taking a plant, one that you already have, and making more out of it by division, by collecting seeds, or other methods. Today I'm going to go ahead and propagate by splitting this fern into one or two other plants, so I'll have more. And I'm also going to take a baby Haworthia off its mama and put it in its own little pot. Let's go have some fun with propagation. Little baby's right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the mama out of the pot and then take the baby off. And I'm just going to see if I can wiggle this little baby off of here. That's where we'll start. It's not always as easy as that, but can try. Yeah, not going to happen. Not going to be that easy this morning. Okay, baby is off. I'm just going to replant this mama into some fresh soil. Going to be a lot happier now. Got some fresh nutrients in there. Be happy. Get just some more babies. So mama and baby are happy. And just going to set these, the mama and baby, into bottom water for a bit. Just like that, in the shade where they're happy. Yikes. Look at that. Wow, I really needed this. And I've had these in the nursery pots for 2 years. Ooh, you're free, child. Poor mistreated thing. Okay, the ferns have been soaking, and I have decided I am going to have to get fairly brutal with these guys because they're so severely pot bound. And that means bringing out the big guns. So, yeah. Hi. Well, hi, Meow Meow. Hi. Hey. How are you? It's so good to see you. I know, you're cringing. But they're pretty resilient. Okay, time to water it all in. Thanks so much for joining me today as I divided some asparagus ferns and a little baby zebra Haworthia from its mama. It's so much fun to propagate, and if you can get out there and just open your eyes to see what you can propagate in your own garden, it saves you a lot of money and it's so much fun, very rewarding. So get out there, garden your hearts out, enjoy life. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.